night in Arizona. We are heading to a little car meet, and before that we met up with the guys from jrgarage at the warehouse, do a little warehouse tour, brought some of the cars. Sam, Ruby Red GT350R, brought his Shelby. Tyler's got his moderately fast Hellcat. Look at those slicks. Kent brought the GT3. I borrowed Matt's R8. We got Kieran over there with the M6. There's Jeff, as tall as usual. All right, gotta show me. I haven't seen you in, I don't know how many years. We filmed that S6 years ago.
People don't realize we were like the first,
yes.
You were the first YouTuber I ever met.
Yes. Holy crap. Here we go.
So a couple of these cars no one's seen yet. The R8. This has got to be one of the best cars for money on the market. Dual clutch, V10.
Wait, this
R8.
is the S-Tronic one?
Yeah.
Oh, hell yeah, dude.
So obviously it got rear-ended, but that's what allowed us to pick up for half the retail price.
Because, okay, so I had a manual V10 Spider. Mine was 15,000, yeah, 2011, 2012. Okay. Mine had 15,000 miles. I got it for 83.5.
Yeah.
How much you get this thing for?
It was 51 grand. And it just needs a bumper, a tail
new tail light.
This can be repaired.
Yep.
It runs fantastic. Carbon.
Oh.
Just like your car.
Yeah.
So yeah, that's the name of the game. Save a bunch of money.
Yep.
Yourself. But this car.
So this is the 20 cylinders. This V10 and that V10.
Yes,
okay.
20 cylinders.
Okay.
So this is like a Huracan for a third the price. Like,
yeah, pretty much. Dual clutch. Yeah.
Throw a tune on it.
Yeah. 5.2.
Getting there.
Yep. Okay.
The other cars.
That's the new one.
One of the OGs, the Viper.
Yes.
We've had this thing forever.
This
is
thing.
what kind of launched the channel. You remember that?
Oh yeah. This and then the other Gallardo, the Spider, LP560. That helped the channel for sure.
We replaced it with an even bigger and better Gallardo. That is like our all-time
UGR. What was the? I didn't end up watching. What was the dyno run for that one?
That
it did
on low boost 800 wheel.
800 wheel. All right, not bad.
Not too bad for just the low boost.
Not bad.
It definitely is due for spark plugs.
Okay.
Because the leaded fuel, you want to replace those very often. They haven't been replacing them well, so we got to do that. That'll probably bump up the dyno maybe 900.
Okay.
1,000.
Okay.
And then of course you can crank it up to full craziness tune, which is 40 psi, which underground racing rates at like 1,800 wheel horsepower.
On race fuel. Well, I think regardless of all the horsepower numbers, the most important thing is that gated 6-speed.
An E-gear, yes.
Oh yes, that E-gear is horrible on these cars, and the gated 6-speed is
the best thing.
It's just glorious. I love it.
And with the Verde Ithaca paint, original 6-speed, like that's a rare car in and of itself.
Verde Ithaca is so much better than Verde Mantis. Verde Mantis is the Huracan version. Not the same. Not the same.
The best, my favorite. So we're gonna back out the McLaren.
Back out the McLaren?
Probably take this, which should be a showstopper.
UGR?
I've never taken this to a car show. So
really? Got a bumper for that LP560. This is one of my favorites. And I remember talking to you when you got this for a good deal. This is also the MSO style front bumper with the canards. It looks amazing.
Thank you. It came together really nicely. Fully optional.
Yes.
In the wing, we got the
Vorsteiner wing.
Yeah, most people don't see that. Sounds pretty good.
There, it's stock exhaust. Yeah. Oh my God. I love these things. So, you know how on Instagram I'm EddieX616? Yeah. I had to pick a number because somebody took EddieX.
616 horsepower.
I'm such a McLaren fanboy. That is the updated horsepower output. Yeah. People are like, are you from Grand Rapids, Michigan? Because apparently that's the area code. I'm like, nope. I just love the 12C so much. That's why my username is 616. Wait, you might want to unplug that before driving away. That could be bad.
Eddie, did you know they're actually bringing both of these cars tonight?
They're bringing both? Both? All right, both. It has to be both. Yo, we brought 4 cars. You got to bring at least 2.
No. 2 brothers, 2 cars.
Yeah. 1 each. Billionaire doors. The doors.
Come on, bro.
Let's have the doors.
Bring both.
Billionaire doors, bro.
What else? The Maserati's still here. Where's the other 458?
In California, almost done rebuilt.
Oh, it's almost done?
Almost done rebuilt. It just got out of paint. So
Okay, very cool.
The final push.
All right, I need to check out this silver LP560.
What do you think about the spec? It's kind of a love hate. I don't know, like silver or whatever. But
I mean, oh, it's got orange accents. Wait, brown.
Yeah, it's.
Oh no.
So I mean,
Brown and orange.
Oh, okay, that's not great. If you have a Cleveland Browns fan, they could buy that or something. Isn't that their colors? One thing I like, when you take apart the front end of Lambos, I did it on the first gen Gallardo. I can't see any now, but a lot of Audi badges.
Oh yeah.
A lot of little Audi. Oh, you actual Lamborghini badge.
You can find some VW badges.
VW badges. Or just driving a bunch of Volkswagens around. This thing.
Okay.
That V10.
So this thing starts.
Okay.
I doubt it. The battery, you kind of have that.
Lambo batteries struggle. You park it for like 3 weeks and it's like, well, I'm dead. first try, it went. Wow. Look at them turbos. They're huge. Look at that. You guys have a thing for V10s? We've got 1, 2, 3, 4 V10s in here.
Funny fact, I was originally going to name the channel V10 Power, since I love V10.
Yeah. Underground racing. Look at these race buckets. And there, that's the most important thing. Yep. We're getting ready to head to this local car show. Rolling with the JR Garage squad. Kieran's got his M6 there. Should be fun. Make sure not to scrape. So much. Headshot flames, oh my god. Oh boy. Alright, this is packed. We got here, we're technically parked in like the pre-1975 section, although none of our cars are that old. The fun drive over. This is huge. Will Tyler fit?
Oh my lord, this is
Did you just drop your phone? Or did you crack the carbon?
Jeez. A little tight, but hey, you can pull it off.
LP640 Murcielago, that is amazing. Holy crap. Waiting for the Stradman to buy one of these because he loves them too. LP640 Murcielago. Hell yes. So this is apparently a twin turbo V8 R8. It looks like it's in pretty rough shape given the back end, but take a V8, it's a manual too. That is the proper transmission. Gated manual, twin turbo R8. That would be a lot of fun, I feel like, but I think I would rather have a V10 and then eventually twin turbo, obviously, but price differences. Avalanche Gray 350. I love 350s without the racing stripes. I think they look better. So I've just been told this is apparently a sanctioned event put on by McDonald's. There is a McDonald's right there. It is the, Sam, would you say the longest what?
Continually running car show in the world.
Longest continually, really? It's huge. That's what I was wondering, like, is it approved? Like, the cops haven't shut it down. There are hundreds of cars. This is cool. And apparently it's put on by McDonald's. So first couple times of you doing real pulls in it.
Yeah, those were the first like actual pulls. Wow.
It sounded absolutely insane ripping by.
I have never seen you drive it like that or anything like that for that matter. I don't think anything else can
Okay.
quite like
The
that.
JR Garage.
Wow.
Gallardo is, I mean,
that has to be the full sense for that.
gated manual, and
Chris will send you some clips that he probably got for your video
yes,
too.
yes. We'll share all the videos. This is JR Garage Tour. We're about to go get some dinner because we're starving. Some kasai, some Japanese steakhouse. It's gonna be awesome. Hope you guys like this video. Obviously check out the guys JR Garage. They've got all the cool cars here. Thanks for watching.